I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to silence those constant notifications from WorldRemit, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the app. Launch the WorldRemit app on your device. This is where you'll manage your notification settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Find the settings icon, usually represented by gear symbol, and tap on it. This will take you to the app's configuration options. Step 3. Select Notifications. Within the settings menu, locate the notifications section. This is where you can adjust how the app communicates with you. Step 4. Toggle off notifications. You will see a toggle switch for notifications. Slide it to the off position to disable all alerts from the app. Step 5. Confirm changes. Make sure to exit the settings and check if the notifications have stopped. Sometimes, you may need to restart the app for changes to take effect. Now you're all set to enjoy a quieter experience with WorldRemit. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.